2 out of 3 girls will drop out of sport before they turn 16.
Well, 64% of girls drop out, and that's public health.
We've got girls that potentially drop out of sport. That can obviously be massively detrimental. Increased risk of anxiety and depression.
Makes you wonder how many girls never become who they could have been.
Girls that learn sports learn how to lead.
The problem starts here, at school, with what they make us wear. The PE kit.
I've wanted to drop out of sports plenty of times because I didn't feel comfortable in it.
If we actually had a kit that suited our body types, we'd feel more comfortable, play better.
ASICS presents the Undropped Kit, the first PE kit designed by girls to keep girls in sport.
We partnered with the girls from one of the areas with the lowest PE participation in the UK. This was the first time that our main design team were teenage girls.
They showed us different fabrics and stuff, and we chose which ones we preferred and which ones we didn't like.
After 11 months and input from more than 2,000 girls, we had a kit built around what we actually needed.
Having different options, it's going to make me feel more comfortable.
So good. So like when you're bloated, you can just like loosen it up and it'll just make it like 10 times better. When you're on your period, it won't show like in case you're late.
It feels like it's more aimed for girls.
PE kits are being blamed for teenage girls dropping out of sport.
Our correspondent Mark Barra met some young people who've been testing a new kit.
The Undropped Kit is a concept about can we create sports kit that is comfortable.
We've noticed a difference in the girls' attitudes already. They feel more comfortable, they feel more confident.
78% of Burnley High School students reported they felt more comfortable during PE. So as Parliament was discussing PE kits, we lobbied for change.
PE uniforms promote a more equitable environment for students.
And on November 7th, the Department of Education changed their uniform guidance.
When you're able to dress the way you want to dress, I think that has a big impact on not wanting to drop out of a sport.
And this is only the start. Imagine how many more girls could feel good in their own skin. How many more captains, leaders, mentors, Olympians. How many more futures we could dream.